Hello, today's topic is coding and decoding. Coding decoding is process of transmitting an information from one place to other using some suitable codes so that it might reach to other persons safely. Coding decoding of an information is done with various rules or patterns so that only the right person can decipher it. To solve the questions based on coding decoding, first of all, it is very much necessary to remember the positions of all alphabet letters both in forward and backward order. Therefore, first we have to remember the forward order position of different alphabets. So you need to remember this table, that is each letter corresponding to their numbers. That is A has 1, B has 2, C has 3, D has 4 and so on until 26. Forward order positions of letters can be remembered in some different ways also. For example, we can remember E, J, O, T, Y corresponding with their position, that is 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25, each with difference of 5. Okay, so you can remember these letters corresponding with their positions in such manner. And as EJOTY sounds like a girl's name, so it could be remembered by this also. Okay, now you also can remember this letter, that is C, F, I, L, O, R, U, X, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Each number is a multiple of 3. You can remember these letters in such manner, or you can also remember this C, F, I, L, O, R, U, X, uh, as it sounds like an injection name, because doctors are having strange names of injections. Now come to the next topic, that is backward order positions. We have to also remember the backward order positions, that is the first position is given to Z and the last position given to A. Okay, as students find it difficult to remember backward order positions, but if they keep forward order positions of letters in their mind, they can easily calculate the backward order position of letters, as backward order position of letter is equals to 27 minus forward order position of letters. Letters is equals to 27 minus forward order position of letters. Okay, for example, suppose the backward order position of A, which is 26, and it is equals to 27 minus 1, which is 26. Okay, now we need to remember the opposite letters. These are called opposite letters as the forward order corresponding position of an opposite letter is as same as the backward order corresponding position of its opposite letter. That is 1, 2. Okay. Here A and Z is a pair of opposite letters. Is a pair of opposite letters. Now it is very much clear from the above presentation that two letters are called opposite to each other if the sum of their corresponding position is equal to 27. And now we can find the opposite position of any letter is by this equation, that opposite position of any letter is equals to 27 minus corresponding position of the letter. Okay. So this is the formula. For example, you can find the opposite position of A, which is equals to 27 minus corresponding position of A. That is 27 minus 1, which is equals to 26. As you can find that the opposite position is 26 here. So this formula works. Now you need to remember some pair of opposite letters that can easily be remembered in this following way. That is A and Z. A and Z can be remembered as Aza. B and Y can be remembered by Bai. C and X can be remembered as 6. D and W can be remembered as a dew. E and V can be remembered as evening. F and U can be remembered as OF, that is UFF. G and T can be remembered as GT road. H and S can be remembered as high school. I and R can be remembered as Indian Railways. J and Q can be remembered as Jack and Queen. K and P can be remembered as Kevin Peterson, the bowler. And L and P can be remembered as love. And lastly, M and N can be remembered as man. So these are some tricks which helps you to remember these opposite letters much easily. Now move forward to the arrangement of letters. First we start with the linear arrangement, that is straight line arrangement. If we arrange the letters from left to right, we find this arrangement, that is A to Z and corresponding numbers from 1 to 26. And if we arrange the letters from right to left, we find this arrangement, that is 26 to 1. This is the corresponding arrangement of right to left. Okay. Now come to the next topic, that is circular arrangement. Circular arrangement is necessary when we are to find the next letter of Z or the previous letter of A. Here we arrange the letters in clockwise, that is clockwise arrangement. And here we arrange the letter anti-clockwise. And these circular arrangements are required when we are to find the next letter of Z or the previous letter of A, which we cannot find by linear arrangement. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.